Hi everybody! In the first training video of the channel, I will tell you some basic pixel tools. Let's start with a simple drawing. I clicked on the pen on the right. It will look like a micro robot. As you can see, it looks like a simple robot, but it will not be a robot. Painting the inside with orange will take a long time. By the way, my hand slips and I draw around. Those with the paint box on the side. Click whatever color you choose in the closed area. The monster tool on the right square writes to convert the pixel we made into copying and deletion. I chose and copied. And we make the move I made to a field and open that compartment. I click on glue. I drag and drop this pixel to the edge. Here you can. I hit the turn right button and it turned. To fix it, we will hit the rotate left button. Fixed, as you can see. The brush picks a shape and puts it that way. There are many here, I choose one. I put this in one click. If you hold down and drag, this will advance, as you can see. It comes in the paint box. I chose black. And the color I clicked on these areas became black. To undo, it will be enough to press undo on the right. This is the same task as the pen. I draw something randomly. And easily filled. This tool shows the location of that particular pixel. Diameter here is 6.7. Locations as it looks. With this you can measure the size of your pixel. This allows zooming. You messed up your random pixel, you can press all the back keys to fix it. From here you can move your pixel like an animation, but this will be done in later chapters. I choose all. I pressed paste and it doubled back for security. I clicked on what looks like the plus sign on the right. This will help you to select and move the pixel you made. I cannot show it because it is not suitable for my device, but I will explain it visually in the next videos. Clicking on the eraser deletes the pixel. If you delete it by dragging, it will delete those pixels. This grid divides it into 4 parts. You can use it like this by continuing from here. Paint coating, a different color enclosure. If you click on the space where there is a space, that space will be the color to store. To end this by mistake, press the backspace button. The forward button also restores the pixel you accidentally deleted. The tool I chose displays a mixture of one color and one color. As an example, I clicked on blue with black and it got dark blue color. I'm drawing something silly as an example. I click on the colors of the side color and the mixture of the two colors creates a color. Another aspect is that the light color gets darker as you click on it. It gets darker. Can be done as I show. I'm kidding here, and I'll show you how to fix it. Spreads to more pixels if you hold and drag. Colors are getting darker. If you use the paint like this, everywhere will be the place we choose. Let's take it back. Check out what it does. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't fill like this in other colors. It will work if you do it the way I showed you at the beginning. Here you can create text in Pixel Tool and next to the plus sign on the right. You can choose the format of the article here. I typed Pixel here and pressed Apply. It doesn't show up because the background is orange. At first you might have thought I wouldn't fix it, and this is how it happens. Go up and select this. This dirty image is posted here. This is how you can fix it. Important. You select it and click the delete button. Keys of 8 parts. Press the eraser in the lower corner. The pixel we made at first is below it. Now let's clear these green pixels as I have shown. The reason it deleted only the green was because I chose green in the palette and deleted them all. Now let's paste the pixel text here. Put this on. Don't panic if you got it wrong. Don't forget the backspace key. And I put. Whether you invite 3D to this, it will be in the next lessons. Congratulations on it. I'm sending it to you, and I'll show you. That was the shading. I pasted the sections 1 pixel on top of each other. That's it for this classroom. Our next pixel training lesson will be published tomorrow. You can follow if you want to receive notifications. See you soon, my friends.